Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a YouTube Kids profile. So if you want to clean up your family's YouTube Kids account or maybe remove a profile that's no longer used, this is how you can do it easily on your phone. So first, just open the YouTube Kids applications and access the parent settings. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon at the top right corner of the app. Then just enter your passcode. And in here, as you guys can see, I have two profiles now and I'm going to delete this one. So click on the profile that you want to delete. And as you guys can see, to access your kids profile, you need to enter your email password for security. Just enter the password and hit on enter. Now to easily delete it, just click on the three dots icon at the top right corner and there will be these options to delete profile. Tap on that and click on delete to confirm. And just like that, now the profile has been deleted. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on a thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.